أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي رب يسر ولا تعسر وتمم بالخير اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا رب زدني علما آمين يا رب العالمين. Okay, yesterday we started about sentence al-jumla, which is called murakkab also, right? There were two types of murakkab. Murakkab means two words, any two words, and mufrad mean any single word, right? So murakkab has two types, murakkab complete sentence, or the one which is giving complete sense or giving some meaning, that is called jumla also, the sentence. And the other one was murakkab naqis. For that we had discussed four categories. Murakkab naqis, incomplete murakkab which does not give any sense, and that was murakkab naqis. And there were four categories of murakkab naqis. Murakkab tawsifi. Who will come with me? Quickly, any volunteer, please? Yes, girls, quickly, we are losing our time.
Assalamu alaikum, Ms. Riffat.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Yes, I can come.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, Nashmi. So, four categories we discussed, right? Just a quick revision here. So, murakkab tawsifi was?
The adjective phrase.
Adjective phrase. And the first one, sifat and mausuf. What was the name of two parts?
Sorry, Ms. Riffat?
Name of two parts, like what are those called?
First, the adjective phrase, it's also called waladun sali, right? Sali. Waladun sali.
Waladun salihun.
We give an example of adjective phrase. And there are two parts, like waladun will be al-mawsufu, and salihun, that means a pious boy, will be the sifat, the attribute.
Yeah, the mawsuf will be salih would be mawsuf. Sifat. Salih.
Sifat, attribute.
Attribute. And the one who is given this attribute is called mawsuf.
Mawsuf.
Yeah, the next one.
Then we had murakkab izafi. That's the relative phrase. And then we also call murakkab izafi the relative phrase, and there are two parts in that also. We are mudafi and mudafi ilahi, right?
Yeah, mudaf and mudaf ilayhi.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. I'm not very good in Arabic.
It's okay, it's okay. You will be good, inshallah, no worries. Yeah. So the first one is mudaf. First one is mudaf, and the second one is mudaf ilayhi.
Mudaf ilahi.
It is ilayhi. It is ilayhi, but when we, stop, fluency, we don't say ilayhi, we say ilayhi. We stop over there with.
Yes, and mudaf ilayhi will always be in halat jar, right?
Halat jar, yeah. And we just have let's revise that halat jar in singulars we can recognize it through kasra, under the last letter.
Yeah. Yes. But and in dual and plural, ya noon.
Ya noon. Barakallahu feek. Yeah. So that is very confident. We are very confident on that, right? That we can recognize halat jar. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. And then murakkab.
And then we had murakkab ishariya, that means demonstrative phrase. Yeah, that is like this and that, right? Hada. Then then again there is a division between two words, right? Musharu ilahi, musharu ilay, and ismul ishara. Right?
Yeah, this hada, hadihi, this and
hada,
that. These are ism ishara, and the second one would be musharun ilay.
Yeah, the pronouns, all the pronouns are ilay, right? Musharu ilahi.
Musharun ilay. Musharun ilay, right?
Musharun ilay, all other pronouns like this, that.
No. Nashmi, no. Musharun ilay could be anything towards which I am demonstrating, towards which I am doing that ishara. Ishara means pointing out to something. Like for example, hadha al-kitabu, this book. And these ishara and musharun ilay should follow all the protocols of noun, all four things of noun. What does that mean? Like they should be matching, being masculine, feminine, right? In gender, in range. I mean, like being nakira and marifa, right? Being nakira, marifa, like common noun or proper noun. They should match with each other. Masculine, feminine, singular, plural, right? Yeah, and halat rafa or jar. They should match with each other. All four protocols, yes. For example, if it is hada, yani there is a book and I want to point out towards that book. So I want to say that book. It is dhalika. That means dhalika. Dhalikal kitab. Dhalikal kitab. Dhalika, is dhalika common or proper noun, Nashmi? Dhalika.
That.
That. Like what is its status? Is it's common noun or proper noun?
Proper, right? Like one thing you are pointing out at, right?
Proper noun, yes. Like all isme ishara are proper noun. Isme marifa, right?
Okay, Mr.
All isme ishara are proper noun, like this, that, these, those. In English, we have only this much. But in Arabic, like for this, if it is a male and female, they are different.
Different.
In English, this is only this. Either it's male or female or singular or singular or dual. This is only this, hadha. But in Arabic, it is hadha, male, and hadhi for female.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Badiat. And for that is again dhalika. And for female, we have tilka, right?
Tilka, yes. And then Zanika and Tanika for duals, and Ulaika for plural, right?
Plural for, it's common, right?
It's common for male and female, yeah. So if we are pointing out towards so many things, we will use the plural ones.
Yes. Like if it's far, we use these, like Ulaika, right? And if something near, but there are many things, we say haulai.
Yes. Okay.
Right? Yes.
So this is isme ishara. These all are haulai, zalika, hadha. These are all isme ishara. Okay. Yes. And the thing towards which we are pointing out, those things will be called musharun ilay. Okay. And they also should be proper nouns, because these are proper nouns.
Correct.
Hadha is a proper noun. So the thing also should be in proper noun.
Yes. Yes, Miss Riffat, got it, yes. And the last one was murakkabe jari. That's a genitive phrase. We also call the prepositional phrase. It will always have hurfe jari, right?
Yeah, harfe jar in the beginning, right?
Harfe jar, sorry. Yeah, harfe jar in the beginning. It will always have. And what else was in this?
Yeah.
Like, for example, will column me.
Yeah. Like harfe jar is there. And the noun which is coming next to harfe jar
is majroor.
It is called majroor, and it always will be in halat jar, right? Because this haruf jar is giving that noun a jar.
Yes. Okay? Yeah, like the how we'll understand it will be in halat jar by seeing kasra, right?
For the singulars.
In singular, and ya noon for the plural.
And in the plural also, Nashmi, if it is broken plural, then we will see kasra.
Okay.
But if it is a sound plural, then we will see ya noon. For example, ar-rijal. Rijal. What does rijal mean? Rijal means men.
Men, okay.
Okay. Rajulun means one man. But rijalu means so many men, right? Men.
Yes.
So ar-rijalu, rijala, rijali. Right? So this is a broken plural. So broken plurals also we recognize like singulars. We reckon ar-rijali. Okay? Minar rijali. Min is harf jar. So it can't be minar rijalu. It will be minar rijali.
Okay.
For broken plurals and for singulars, we recognize through kasra. That kasra will be there under the last letter. But for duals and for sound plurals,
plural, yes,
we will recognize through ya noon.
Okay. Ms. Riffat, if for example we have like alal malaikati, so this is like to the angel. This is also in halat jar, right?
Yeah.
Because Allah is there,
malaika
right?
is also broken plural. That's what I'm telling you, right?
Okay.
Malak is singular,
yes.
na? Malik.
Yes, Malik, yeah.
And malaika, isn't it broken? Did we add something?
Yes,
and it has become plural. No, na? It's broken plural.
No. Yes, correct.
So it's a broken plural. For broken plural also, we recognize through kasra under it. Okay? Fine. Singulars and broken plurals.
Both.
Both. We recognize through kasra. Halat jar. How we recognize halat jar? Because the last letter will carry kasra. Okay?
Kasra. Yes.
But for duals and sound plurals, we recognize through ya noon. Halat jar.
Yes.
Clear?
Okay. Yes, Mr. Riffat, clear.
So are you getting benefit through Ravi and through coming on mic?
No, my daughter is sleeping. Alhamdulillah, so I'm free. Otherwise, the 12 o'clock she's up and she's by my side. So I don't want like the audio to get disturbed.
Yeah. Now today onwards, my own classes also started with Sheikh, no? Because we had off in Ramadan. Yeah. So today our class will resume back by 3:50. I'll be there, with my teacher. And that link, if any one of you want to join, because our Sheikh said, because now these are online classes, right? Before we were going to his academy, but now it's online class. So he says that if you want to share with anyone, because we will study Aqidah. Aqidah, we are doing Aqidah Wasitiyya, and we will definitely study some grammar, Lugha Arabiya, and we will study some, 4 subjects we'll study today. So if you people want to join, it would start 3:30 or 3:15 like that, okay? The time is
as a listener, right?
As a listener, yeah. Because definitely Aqidah is something, it has to be strong with everyone. It has nothing to do only, it's not something worldly education, whatever we can put on, whatever we can add on to our knowledge, it's excellent. So if I will share if you people say I will share the link, and if you people want to join, you can join in.
Yes, Ms. Riffat, please.
But if you feel that no, it's too much, it's going above from our heads, then you can leave. If you feel that they are very far ahead, okay? But I'll share the link, inshallah. Okay.
Inshallah.
So we have revised all 4 murakkabat, right?
Yes, and we started with the sentences also.
With the sentences yesterday we started, and we said that in sentences also there will be 2 categories. Quickly we'll go through.
Mubtada and khabar.
No.
Sorry? The nominal and the verbal?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
Because the 2 types of sentences. First is nominal sentence.
Nominal, yes.
Okay. Like in here it is al-jumlatul ismiya. Like it will start with noun.
Noun. Yes.
Okay? And the other category is the verbal sentence.
The verbal.
Jumlatul fi'liya. Okay, jumlatul fi'liya.
That I think we haven't done that.
We haven't done, but as just as a category we recognize it.
Yes.
The sentence will start with a
start
verb.
with a verb. Yes.
Okay. Then we will call it jumlatul fi'liya, verbal sentence. Okay. The examples are given. Al-kitabu jadidun. Al-kitab is a noun, right?
Noun, yes.
And you can see al-kitab. I'm saying al-kitab. Right?
Like
the book, So we can make out that the noun with which it is starting should be opted noun.
Yes.
Okay. In majority of the cases, the first noun should be opted noun. Okay. And let's recognize its part now. As you said already, that the noun with which we are starting is called mubtada, right? Now we are coming towards the nominal noun. In nominal sentence, we have 2 parts again. Okay, nominal sentence, like how the sentence is formed. What are the names of those parts which are in a sentence, right? So the first one was mubtada.
Yes.
And in English we call it the subject, right?
Yeah.
The mubtada, the subject. And the second one, the next one would be it's khabar.
Khabar, yeah.
Okay, khabar,
The predicate.
the predicate, right? Al-khabar, the predicate. And if there is some extra information other than khabar and mubtada, we call it muta'alliq khabar, like related to the predicate. Okay, something related to the, yani there might be long sentences also, hai na? Other than two things will be there. So those other things will be, maybe it will come here. Some info that you get about this is, okay, if it comes, then for most, these are called simple nominal sentences having only two words, right? We just saw the examples yesterday. Zainabu alimatun. Zainab is a scholarly girl or learned woman,
girl.
right?
Yes.
Because alimatun is a, with this ta we can recognize this is female, right? And
Yes.
Zainab is a female noun. So we understand that we should put alima, not alim. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. There should be an agreement in the number and the gender between the subject and the predicate, as we saw already, right?
Yes.
If there are yani bint is daughter, girl, banat is a plural. If I say al-banatu, then I will say alimatun, right? I will make this also plural. So
Plural,
it should agree in number and gender.
Correct. Yes.
For example, if it is a rajulu, right? A rajulu is man. I just before also I asked you the example. What does rajul mean? Rajul mean a man, but a rijal means men. So if I make it a rijalu, then I have to say du'afa'u. Da'if's plural. I have to make da'if's plural also. A rijalu du'afa'un.
Yes.
Okay, that is also broken. Da'if's plural is also broken plural. Du'afa'u. Okay, then the translation will be the men are old or weak.
Weak. Like subject and predicate should agree with each other, right?
In what? In number and gender.
Gender, yes.
Okay. Okay, and so there are some more examples for that. Okay, they have changed it. Like if it is singular, then the predicate is also singular. If it is dual, then this is okay. At-talibani, mu'minani.
Okay.
Talibani, Nashmi, can you tell me in which halat is this? Halat raf, nasb or jar?
Talibani, it's nasb.
How did you recognize?
No, Ms. Riffat. I think it's in jar.
How did you recognize? Tell me the reason. Whatever you say. Give me the proof.
Because al is there at the beginning and kasra is there under.
What does it mean? Can you recognize the meaning? Talibani. What does it mean?
Like it's in dual state, right? Like two students.
So how we recognize dual state? If something is in dual noun, how we recognize its states? Vanita, let her try. You were very confidently telling me before when we were doing murakkabat.
Yes.
When I was asking you about murakkab, that how we recognize halat jar. You told me very confidently and very correctly.
By kasra, Ms. Riffat?
For kasra, we recognize halat jar.
For singular, sorry. For singular kasra and for plural it's ba noon, right?
Ya noon.
Ya noon, sorry. Ya noon.
Ya noon.
And for dual also it will be same.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
So now come back again. At-talibani.
Yeah. At-talibani. So it's the same, right? Here
What?
as well. Kasra is there. No, not because of kasra. Oh my God, I'm so.
It's okay. This way you will learn literally.
Okay.
Making mistakes is good.
So here with noon, ba noon with I think I need some help here so I can.
Okay, fine. It's okay.
Yeah.
Miss Vinita, now you can come in.
Is it Halat Nasab because Hamza Noon is the default?
Allahu Akbar. Okay, yeah, but is that Halat Nasab? You said Halat Nasab. I think by mistake.
No, sorry, Halat Rafa.
Otherwise, you.
Yeah, it's in original state, right?
Yes, Nashmi. It's in original state.
It's in original state, yeah.
Like if I say a talibu, one student, and if I say make it dual, how will you make it dual? Talibani.
Talibani. Yeah.
So the original form is always halat raf, Nashmi. There is no need to get confused. Okay?
Okay, Ms. Riffat.
Original form is always halat raf. Okay?
Okay, yes.
Okay? So a talibani is no doubt halat raf. What would be the halat nasab and jar? This is same. Halat nasab and jar is same. Very easy. Only you have to recognize two things. Halat raf is different and nasab and jar are same.
Okay.
That will be with ya noon. This is with alif noon, right?
Ya noon.
Talibani, And now make it halat nasab.
Talibina.
No, not bina. Why you change the haraka of noon?
Okay.
It's bani.
Bani, yes.
So change it into the halat nasab.
Talibani will change into?
Alif noon will change into ya noon.
Okay. Talibini, yes, because
not B. Don't change the movement of ba. Don't change the movement of ba. Don't change the haraka of ba. Only put ya instead of alif. That's it. And how will you pronounce it? Yes, only alif into ya. Change alif into ya. Right? So it will be a talibaini.
Baini. Okay.
And this is called haruf al-leen. Yani you just make sound, been is very sharp sound, but bain is lean. It is called haruf al-leen in this form. Like this is just with the tajweed rules. These are the tajweed terminologies. Okay, I will not use it here. Okay, but it is just alif you change into ya. That's it.
Yeah.
So it will become baini. Talibaini. Okay.
Yes.
Baini.
And then the other word will also change, right? Like it's here, it's mu'minani.
Yeah, because it's mu'minun. If it is a talibu, mu'minun, the student is a mu'min, is a believer. Talibu, mu'minun. But if you make a talibani, you have to make this also dual, mu'minani. Instead of mu'minun, it will be mu'minani. It also has to be the dual. And the other thing you can note down is that alif lam is here. Make it plural. To make it proper noun. So the predicate should be in proper noun.
Okay.
Sa'idun alimun. Is Sa'id proper noun or common noun?
It's a proper noun. So one person.
Somebody's name, right?
Yes, someone's name, yes.
So, but you can see tanween here. We can say Sa'idun. Due to this tanween, we can't say this is a common noun. We normally say na tanween is the symbol of common noun, hai na?
Yes.
But here Sa'id is the name of a person. We know that, right? So it's ismi alam, it's a marifa, it's a proper noun. So because the mubtada, because these all first nouns are mubtada. Mubtada should be in proper noun.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, mubtada should be in proper noun, and khabar is in common noun.
Okay.
And if we make this also proper, for example, I say Sa'idun al-alimu, or I say, for example, for this sentence, right? I say Talibu al-mujtahidu. What will be the difference in that, Nashmi? Can you make out? I say at-talibu al-mujtahidu.
Then I think it won't be a sentence, right?
Yeah, yes, very true.
It will be a hard-working student. It will change to a phrase, right?
Hard-working student, yes. It will change into a phrase. Which phrase? Murakkabe tawsifi.
Tawsifi.
The adjective phrase, right?
Adjective phrase, yes.
Yeah, because they are matching with the protocol. If the first one is proper noun, I made the second one also proper noun, right?
Yes,
and
correct.
Both are singular, both are in halate rafa, right? So this is matching with. If you make khabar also marifa, then it becomes, most of the cases it becomes murakkabe tawsifi.
Tawsifi, yes.
So this is the difference. Only with little bit difference you will recognize, oh, this is a complete sentence now. First one, the mubtada, the subject should be in proper noun, but the predicate should be in common noun.
In the common noun, then it makes a sentence.
Yes, yes. At-talibu mujtahidun. Then we can say the student is a hard-working. The student is hardworking, right?
Hardworking, yes.
But if I say at-talibu al-mujtahidu, then it is the hardworking student. That's it.
Yes.
Yes, Nashmi,
it will be Miss Riffat, all these examples we saw yesterday, all in a present state, right? Like is a student, is a learner.
Yeah.
So it will be always in the present state.
It is a khabar, na? Yeah.
Okay, like it won't be like was and were.
No,
like
it would be, but it can be. But then we put something before that. That we'll learn later, right?
We'll learn later. Okay.
We are doing simple sentences, right?
Okay, and all in a present state.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now there are some types of mubtada. Yani mubtada could be, mubtada hai na? Are we clear what is mubtada?
Yes.
Mubtada is the one, mubtada is the noun with which we are starting our sentence. And at the beginning of a nominal sentence. Okay, that is called mubtada, subject. And it could be a noun. Listen now, see, we are just looking at, it could be a noun or a pronoun, because actually pronoun is also a kind of noun. We discussed it in the beginning, in the very first class, right? That nouns category is very broad in Arabic. All adjectives are also noun. All pronouns are also noun, right? We have already understood that, right? So it can start with a noun or a pronoun.
Yes.
Okay? For example, what is the example of pronoun? Ana. Ana is a pronoun.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah, correct.
Ana mujtahid. And all pronouns are proper nouns, right?
Yes.
Are we clear about that also?
Yes. All the mubtada will be proper nouns, right?
And all the pronouns are also proper noun, always. Pronouns are proper nouns.
Okay.
Hadi, all isme ishara are also proper nouns. Okay, just make it with you, yeah. Is that clear? All pronouns are proper nouns, plus all isme ishara are proper nouns. Okay. So as we say, mubtada should be proper noun, hai na? We already discussed. Mubtada should be proper noun. So these all example, if you see Allahu, Allah is common or proper? Very proper.
Yes.
So Allahu proper and Ghafurun is common, isn't it? With this tanween. Allahu Ghafurun. Allah is forgiver. It's a sentence. But if I say Allahu Al-Ghafuru, what will it become? It will become Murakkabe Tawsifi.
Yes, adjective phrase.
The translation will be the forgiver Allah.
Forgiver Allah. Yes.
Right? But if it is Ghafurun, common noun, the khabar, the second one is called khabar, right? The first one is mubtada and the second one is khabar. If the khabar is common noun, then it is a sentence. Allahu Ghafurun, Allah is forgiver.
Yes.
Ana mujtahidun. What does ana mean? I.
Yes.
Mujtahidun, hardworking. Ana mujtahidun, I am a hard worker. I don't know why they put I am hardworking, right?
Yeah, just I am hardworking.
Hadihi madrasatun. Madrasa means a school.
School, yes.
Okay, madrasa means schools. So hadihi, because this is ta na in the end, so it is feminine. Feminine noun, yeah. We put hadihi.
Hadihi, yes.
Hadihi madrasatun. Madrasatun. This is a school. Okay? Yes. Clear? These are examples that mubtada is different. Here mubtada is a personal name. No, Allah personal name. Ana is a pronoun. Hadi is a
it's a demonstrative word, right?
Noun. Yes. Demonstrative noun, right? Isme ishara.
Isme ishara.
So it could be any. Clear?
Yes.
And it could be al-masdar also. This is little difficult. Yani masdar means Nashmi, it's not a verb, it's not a noun, but it is some origin from where actually the words are coming in. Like wa antasumu khairul lakum, and that if you fast, it's better for you. Now tasumu, if you fast, like fasting, saum is saumukum, your fasting is better for you. So your fasting, yeah, it's not that some if you look at the translation and that you fast, it's better for you. Now is some action taking place in this? No action is taking place, right?
No. Yes. No.
Look at the formation of sentence, the translation, because Arabic you can't understand right now. But look at the English translation. That you fast is better for you. It is an information. Some news is given that if you fast, it will be better for you. Okay, so this is a news given. So khairul lakum is a news. News matlab khabar, predicate.
Okay.
Khairul lakum. Khairun, better, lakum for you.
Better. Yes.
Better for you. Okay, it's better for you. What is better for you? Antasumu, that you fast.
That you fast, yes.
So here, it can be in this form also. Because sumu, fasting, is used as a noun here. As an act, as a noun of an action. If you fast, it's not verb. I hope you are understanding.
Yes, Ms. Riffat, this statement seems like it's in continuation, right? Like, and that's something would be spoken before.
Yeah. But this is also a complete sentence. If you fast, it might be continuation, yes. But in itself, it's a complete sentence, isn't it?
Yes.
You can understand, if you don't know whatever is before that, but you can understand the sense within this. Yes, if you can understand the sense, it is a sentence.
Okay.
If there is something which is not clear, then you need to go back what was before. Then it is not a complete sentence. But if you can get the sense, this is a sentence then.
Okay. Correct.
Okay? So in itself, it's a complete sentence. وَأَنْتَسُومُوا, and that you fast, خَيْرٌ لَكُمْ, it's better for you, right? And it is a verse in the Holy Quran. Yes, definitely. There was a continuation. It's Surah Baqarah, 184 words, right? But in itself, it's a complete sentence.
Okay.
So antasumu, like mubtada can be in a clause also. Clause, you understand, Hannah?
Yes, Mr.
Clause is that the antasumu is the clause. Okay, and it represents saumukum, like your fast. And the next khairul lakum is also a clause. It's better for you, because there are two words, but together they are making khabar. Okay. So we can, if we can't remember the terms, it's fine, but we can translate it, inshallah, easily.
Correct, inshallah.
The particle resembling the verb, acha, there are some particles, okay. This is called mushabbah bil fail. I will skip it. I don't want you to get into this, because, let be simple. Inshallah, slowly, when we start, we will just do it. 3 minutes, 4 minutes are left with us. What was the next other than that? Mubtada, the mubtada is normally a definite, yani marifa. Like Muhammadun Rasulullah. Yes, Nashmi. It's starting with a noun, right?
Correct. Yes.
Muhammad. Is Muhammad proper noun or common?
It's a proper noun.
Yeah. So it should be proper noun, okay? And Rasulullahi. Can you make out what is Rasulullahi?
Yes, is the messenger of Allah.
Messenger of Allah. So whenever of, you put of Allah's messenger, है ना? So it's showing possession.
Yes, correct.
This is Murakkabe Idafi Nashmi, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay, this is Murakkabe Idafi. Because how will you recognize Murakkabe Idafi? This Allah has kasra in the end. So we said Murakkabe. There are two reasons only for some noun to be in halate jar. Remember, I'm recalling it again and again for you people, right?
Yes.
Okay. There are two reasons for any noun to be in halate jar. One reason is that harf jar will be in the beginning. There is no harf jar. We can't see any harf jar. Yeah.
This is possession.
So what is the other reason? The other reason is possession.
Yeah, correct.
So Rasulullahi, it means this is the possession. Allah's messenger.
Allah's messenger.
We show the possession of Allah to the Rasul, or to the Rasul with Allah, right? Allah's messenger, or the messenger of Allah. This is Murakkabe Idafi. And this Murakkabe Idafi is, here as a khabar. So khabar could be a single word, but khabar could be a phrase also. That's what I want to tell you. Okay, because now if the sentences will grow bigger, so we need to recognize, before we were just looking at the two word sentences.
Two words, correct.
But now it's adding on, right?
Yeah.
So we will see, okay, Rasulullah, Allah's messenger. Now they are murakkab, they are two words, but the two words together are making predicate.
Correct.
Now this is the complete news that Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. This is the news that he is the messenger of Allah. Muhammad is Mubtada.
Yes.
And Rasulullah is its khabar. I hope it's clear.
Correct. Very good. Yes, Mr. Riffat. Yes.
Okay. And both should be in halate rafa. And khabar is also in halate rafa. And Mubtada is also in halate rafa. Okay. Yes. So Muhammadun. Can you recognize which halat is this?
Muhammadun, yes.
With this tanween, double pesh, you will recognize this is halate rafa.
Halate rafa, yes.
And Rasulullahi, because with this lam and with this dhamma, you can recognize dhamma, this is halate rafa. And Allah is not in halate rafa because this is the mudafile for Rasul.
Correct, yes.
This is not something separate, this is mudafile to Rasul. That's why it is carrying kasra. But this whole together, Rasulullah, you whole together makes khabar. Okay?
Khabar. Correct, yes.
So the last minute is going on. I think that's fine. We have recognized, and if now next class will be next Friday, right? So just open the book and go in detail for, if you can, for sentence.
Sentences.
Okay? Just try to read
you can assign some short homework.
Okay, inshallah. Okay, let's wind up the class. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika.